are here at LAKEY Terminal 2. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. So, we are here going to Bangkok, Thailand! So, I'm here with the Sphero Team and we are here checking in. Ayan po kami, 21 po kami lahat-lahat. And we are so excited. This is the second time na makakapunta ko ng Bangkok. And I'm still excited kasi before it was me and my tito coming and here. Introduce yourself. You are? And si Ma'am. I'm Darlene. Yeah. Sales team. Woohoo! Ayan, Sir Tito Lito. Ayan. So, saan tayo pupunta sa? Bangkok! Mahina po, wala pa yung ibang tao. So ngayon naghihintay po kami and hindi pa kami nag-breakfast so medyo mahina pa ang volume. So hopefully later, mas maingay na kami. Bye! Hi! Kasama ko rin si parents, of course, my mother and my father. Ayan, mga bagets, ang outfit. So sila rin po ay kasama namin ngayon. So, hindi naman mga senior citizen lahat. Half lang po. We're so excited to travel again. Super excited. Kasama ako sa senior citizen. My mom and dad are here. Good morning! Hi! Hi! Hello! So, andito na kami sa loob ng airplane ng Philippines. Epilogues. Dito kami sa loob ng Philippine Airlines and ang kasama ito. So, ayan, we are here at Philippine Airlines na airplane. So, it's the first time, and actually hindi first time, matagal na ako hindi na Philippine Airlines. Usually, Cebu Pacific, Air Asia, Jetstar, but this is the first time ulit for so many years na Philippine Airlines. So, ang dami, as in, so nakakatuwa. May kasama silang earphones. So, dito sa earphones, may suksukan sa kabilang side. So, pakita ko. So, in my front area, there's this TV. And yeah, there's English. It's a touchscreen. You can watch TV, music, games. So, ayan, may seat chat. So, favorite. So, ayan, meron ding USB for your USB chargers. At the same time, merong earphones and everything. So, nakakatuwa. So, it's the first time. For example, TV. Let's try TV. So, lifestyle. What's new? Meron. Ayan no. Full house. What's new? May game. So, marami kayong mapapanood. Very, very nice. Matagal na ako hindi nakakapasok dito. So, ito, flight maps. So, ayan. Marami kayong makikita from this TV. Very, very nice. So, it's just sorry. We're gonna go to flight map. So, galing kaming Philippines, of course. So, we're gonna go to Bangkok, Thailand. And ito po yung, makikita nyo, it's 3 hours. So, malapit lang siya. Here's Manila, and here's Bangkok. So, yeah, we're gonna be in the air for 3 hours. So, it's a good thing. Oh, nice. So, makikita nyo yung destination sa kanila. Yeah. So, the cool thing about the amenity of this one is the seat chat. So, for example, your friend is on the other side or the other side of the seat. You can just add their seat number. So, for example, I got 63J, so which is my mother. So the 63J Ayan, I chatted hi. Yeah, I chatted hi. Hi. And yeah, he just received the hi. So, we can chat. So whatever, if you know your friend's chat room or whatever, you can talk to each other with the same chat. So that's the coolness of this one. And how long, what language, your favorites, movies. Anyway, we are here. We're just boarding the plane. And mamaya-maya, aalis na rin kami. And see you in Thailand! So if ever you come to Bangkok, you have to see the Siam Pyramid Culture Show. It's one of the Guinness Book World Records culture show, and it's mind-blowing, and I can't stop thinking about it. Like, my travel was complete just because of watching this, so you better come and see it. So you also have an option to choose both the show and the buffet. So you can also just watch the show, or you just have to avail the buffet. But either way, it's a win-win. So after we ate here at lunch, we also go directly to the cultural show. So the food is amazing and definitely a must try. So here they are reminding us that in like 30 minutes the show will be starting. So eat up and let's start the show. Guys, so we just ate dinner at Siam. Siam Niramit. So we are here at the show. May show po sila and we're just here at the plaza, just going around taking pictures. So it was so good. The food is so good. So ngayon pupunta kami sa show. And yan, pupunta na po ako. Sorry, wala akong lipstick. Hindi ako pa nakapag-time mag-ayos, but we'll take video of this. So at this point, they are asking the audience to participate in the dance and to teach them how to dance the cultural dance. So it was so nice that different cultures and different ethnicities are really open to try different cultures, and it's so nice. Hi guys! Just got home. So, bukas na ako magkakaroon ng room tour kasi medyo magulo na and hindi ako napag-room tour kanina kasi na-ambush na namin yung place. So, we are here at my hotel. Sa nakita nyo sa intro, what it looks like from the outside and also from the inside. So, it's day 1, end of day 1.